To invoke the social network API, the user should open an integrated terminal in the root directory and type npm start enter. So the server is started and the Mongoose models are synced with the database. To test the routes, first in Insomnia Core, the user can get all users to see there's one user, one thought, and one reaction. To get all thoughts, the user can use the Thoughts API endpoint with a GET request and see there's one thought and one reaction. To get one user, the user should grab the user ID and insert it at the end of the API endpoint for users, and they will view the user along with its thoughts and ID. To get one thought, the user should grab a thought ID and insert it at the end of the Thoughts API endpoint along with the GET request to view the one thought and its reaction. To create a user, the user should enter username and email and make a post request. To verify it's been added to the database, the user can again make a GET request to the user's API endpoint and view the new user. To create a thought, the user should grab the user ID from one of the users and insert it at the end of the Thoughts API endpoint and enter thought text and username. To verify it's been added, again, the user can get all users and see that the thought has been added to that user. To update a user, the user should use a put request to the user's API endpoint along with the user ID and a body with the information that's being updated, and again can verify that the email address has been updated. To update a thought, the user should grab the thought ID and make a put request with that ID in the URL and an updated thought text and view that updated thought in the database. To delete a user, the user should grab the user ID and insert it at the end of the user's API endpoint and verify that it has been deleted by getting all users. To delete a thought, the user should grab the thought ID and make a delete request with that thought ID at the end of the API endpoint and verify that thought has been deleted.